Kicks. In this video, I am going to give you a review and unboxing of a FasTrack watch which I got from Flipkart during the Big Billion Days. This watch costed me around 1300 and it's a really good looking watch. So let's start. First of all, the content that we get is a can shaped water container from FasTrack. So here we get all the details, model, and here are some basic details. So the watch which I am talking about, the model number of the watch is NG9334PP02J. So let's see what we get in the box. First of all, when we open, we find a user manual from Flipkart. So we'll keep this aside. And here is the bill. And finally, let's see the watch. Here is the watch. This is how nice packaging from Flipkart. Let me show you the watch. So this is how it looks. Really cool design, fashionable and attractive. This watch, the main feature has to be the design, which is oval shaped, along with the dials which are in chrome. The watch looks really good. It also has this adjuster which is in quite big in size and it looks really cool. So inside, if you try to see this watch, it contains nice maroon color ring. So this is also waterproof up to 50 meters and the straps are also good in quality. It's made up of rubber. So I have been using this watch for around 2 months and it's really rugged and good for daily use. So let me show you how it looks after you put it in your hand. So guys, this is how it looks. Nice feel, looks really good. So in my option, I would say don't think twice about it. The best watch from Flipkart you can buy. Guys, do like and subscribe this video and please don't forget to press the bell icon.